Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. You all are fit and fine at your home. Once again, welcome back to subject English class 7. Today we continue with the chapter 14 elements of a sentence. In our previous video, we have seen what is subject and what is predicate. We have seen that first of all, sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. After, we have seen that sentence which is start with a capital letter and end with a full stop, question mark or exclamation mark. Now in this sentence, we will find two things, subject and predicate. Now what is subject? Subject means naming words. Maybe it's a noun or pronoun. We say some more information related predicate. And what is predicate? Predicate which contains a verb and tells something about subject. We have seen the differentiate between subject and predicate. After, we have formed some sentences also by using predicate and subject. And I hope students that some sentence I have given to you for practice work, so I hope that you have completed it. Now today once again we'll see predicate and subject. Earlier we have seen subject predicate. Some means almost we have seen that subject will come first, but in some cases predicate also will come first. So let's see predicate and subject. So first of all students, open your grammar get textbook and open at page number 123. Now look at here, predicate subject. Earlier we have seen subject predicate. But today we'll see that sometimes predicate can also will come in a sentence first, then subject will come. The subject of a sentence usually comes before the predicate, but sometimes the subject is put after the predicate. Means sometimes predicate can come first and subject can come afterwards. Now look at predicate subject. Here comes the train. The sentence is correct, look at here. But the train is a noun which come after. Here comes is a verb, it come first. So predicate can also will come first. There goes the man who is a millionaire. The man who is a millionaire is a subject. There goes verb is a predicate. In the neighborhood lives a snack charmer. What a big city Kolkata is! Exclamation sentence. Sad are the moments of separation. There goes the principal of our school. So look at, observe students each and every sentence. Subject can come after, predicate is first. What a nice place Singapore is. And especially in exclamation sentence, always predicate is coming first and subject is coming afterwards. In the little house lived 7 dwarfs. Down came the rain. Inside the box were hundreds of smiles. Now students, here we have to match the predicate with the subject. So all of you take your pencils and be ready. Here predicate subject. There goes under the tree lived happy hour. What a beautiful city, how pretty. And what is subject? A snack. The girl looks. Srinagar is. The moments of love. The bus. Now here we have to match it, predicate with any suitable subject. There goes, we can say, there goes the bus. Under the tree lived a snake. happy are the moments of love. What a beautiful city Srinagar is. How pretty the girl looks. So students, complete this match the predicate with the subject with a pencil. Now let's move to next. So students, now look at page number 124. Subject and predicate we have already learned. Now today we'll learn another topic, that is object. What is object in this sentence? What is subject in a sentence? What is predicate in a sentence? That we have learned before video also. Now today we will learn what is object in the sentence. I hope that this also you know very well, because we have already learned voice. While learning voice, we have find out first object, because object is very important in a voice. If you will not able to find out voice, you will not turn one voice into another voice, means active to passive or passive to active. So I hope that what is object in a sentence, you know it very well. The person or thing to whom or to which something is done is called an object. Something is done by whom is known as an object. Read the following sentences. The dog beat Tom. Who did the dog bite? Tom. Rekha is picking flowers. What is Rekha picking? Flowers. I have bought a new bike. What have I bought? New bike. So, the person or thing to whom or to which something is done. The dog has did what things? By Tom. What is Rekha picking? Flowers. What I have bought? A new bike. In the first sentence, Tom is the object of the verb bit. In the second sentence, flowers is the object of the verb is picking. In the third sentence, a new bike is the object of the verb have bought. So, here Tom, flowers, a new bike. The three are object in these three sentences. Sentences with the two objects. Yes, that also we have learned while learning voice. That sometimes the sentences like these, that you can find two objects there. She gave me her address. Now look at here. She gave me her address. Me also object. Her address also object. Rahul lent us his camera. His camera and us both are object. He has bought his sister a necklace. I sent Mahesh a check. Would you pass me the salt? So in some sentences you will get two objects too. The first object refers to the person receiving something, and the second object refers to the thing that is given. Now what is complement? Object, I think it's not difficult for you to understand, because we have already learned in previous chapter, that is voice. So I hope students that you know it very well what is object. Now look at what is complement. A sentence may convey a complete meaning if a subject and a verb are used. If they cannot make the sentence meaningful, a complement is used to complete it. Means we know that sentence means which convey the complete meaning. And when it's convey the complete meaning, when the subject and verb is used there. But if they cannot convey, if they cannot make sentence meaningful, means a complement is used to complete it. So When object, there is no object in the sentence. That is used to complement in place of object. So it's known as complement. She is. Incomplete meaning, yes, she is means what? She is a teacher. So it's a complement meaning. So a teacher is a complete meaning. She is a teacher. We can understand that what the person want to say. But it's known as complement. There isn't any object. A teacher is not an object, it's a complement. Now read another sentence. This is Mohan. So we can understand the meaning that the person is Mohan. His name is Mohan. But the action, object means what we have learned. What is object? Means something is done by someone. Here Mohan is Mohan. It's not an action of some another person. They were busy. The girl seems very sad. C.V. Raman became a great scientist. In these sentences, Mohan, busy, very sad, and a great scientist are called complement. Further examples of complements. I felt hungry. What is complement here? Hungry. He looked very happy. What is complement here? Very happy. This CD is mine. What is complement here? Mine. The cake tastes quite delicious. Here, quite delicious is a complement. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. First president of India is a complement. So students, just remember that the sentence is saying with a complete meaning. But sometimes they want to complete it with a complement. Means we know that object means the person or thing to whom or to which something is done. But here the person himself becomes something. So here, like great scientist, very sad, busy, happy, sad, etc. is a complement which can say complete meaning. But to complete it, they have used complement, not an object. We have seen that object is also another noun or pronoun. Yes, here busy, happy, man, it's not a pronoun or noun. So just remember these things, that the object is also another noun or pronoun in a sentence. But these are not noun or pronoun in a sentence. So it's a complement. Now look at here, this exercise. Here you have to find out the objects and complements. So for the object you have to write O, and for the complement we have to write C. First of all, we have to underline also that what is that word which is complement or object. Now look at number 1. Peter took my pen. Now look at Peter took my pen. The action of Peter to take something. My pen is also object. Pen is also object. Is another noun in the sentence. Yes? So it's a object. You can write full, not only O here. You can underline this object and then write in this blank object. The man seemed very nice. Now look at, this is not a noun in the sentence. Very nice is not a noun. So it's a complement. Just remember these things. It's easy for you to understand. We know that in a sentence, two noun or pronoun also will come. So if there is no noun, means it's a complement. The principal is rather strict. Rather strict is a complement. The boy is playing computer games. Now, computer games is an object. Computer games are being played by the boy. You know, when we turn into passive, computer games are being played by the boys. And remember that if there is complement, you cannot able to turn the sentence into another voice, into passive or active voice. If there is a complement, if there is given object, you can easily turn the sentence into any voice. But if complement is given, you cannot able to turn it into another voice. Chaitanya is a brilliant student. Are you able to turn into another voice? Brilliant students. Is Chaitanya? No. So brilliant student is a complement. So is another easy way to identify complement and object that you cannot able to turn if it's complement into another voice. The cat chased the rat. The rat was chased by the cat. Yes, so the rat is an object. Sarah looks worried. Worried is looked by Sarah. Is it correct? No. So worried is a complement. Now students, there are another sentences also given. Total 20 sentences are there in your textbook. It's too easy. Try to solve another sentences yourself. It's for your practice. When I give you PDF, I give all the answers. But first of all, try to do all the answers yourself. Now look at the another exercise. Complete each of these sentences with an object. You have to use an object, not a complement. So look at here. I have bought. You can write anything. I have bought a pen. I have bought a car. I have bought a bicycle. Any answer. They are watching, you can say, television. But remember that you have to write only an object. We often play cricket, football, volleyball, etc. Whatever you want to write, you can write here, and after you have to put a full stop. He broke the chair. You can write, he broke my pen, or any other thing. She was wearing shirt, dress, sari, jeans, etc. She was wearing jeans. Yes. Now another 5 sentences also try to do yourself. He was repairing the television. He was repairing the computer. He was repairing the fridge. Anything. I like what? I like chocolates. I like anything. So here you can write your own answers. All answers are correct. Only you have to keep in your mind that you have to write an object, not a complement. I hope students that it's very easy chapter. Here you have learned what is sentence, what is subject, what is predicate, what is subject, and what is object and complement. Sometimes subject will come afterwards. First, predicate also can come in the sentence. That we have learned in this whole sentence. Still you have any doubts, you can write in the comment box so I can solve it soon. Thank you all and have a wonderful day.